Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you enable the push notifications for your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first, and after opening the application you will get to see this icon into your top left corner. Just simply tap into that, and after tapping into there you will just simply have to select your profile. Now after selecting your profile, you will just simply have to tap into this notification section. Now after going into notifications, you will get to see this option of push notification. Tap into that and it will lead you to your app information setting. You just simply have to select notifications from here and enable this toggle for allow notifications, and this way you can very easily enable the push notification for your Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.